Welcome back to the Just Sawdust channel. I know I have to work on the workshop, but we needed storage for our wood. We had it here covered with plastic, and then when we used it all, we thought, well, let's build like something to store our firewood. Now this thing comes from Vida XL.pt, and it's not the best quality, but yeah, it will work. It's even got like little compartment for all our tools. Even the high pressure washer is in there, and the branch scrambler, or whatever you call it in English, which we don't use much, but at least all the tools are in this thing. Yeah, there's a bit of flaws in this thing, because if they would have made these long bits out of one piece, it would have been better to put it down. It would be more sturdy, and there should be a cross in the back, but that's not with it. So yeah, we put some pieces of aluminium and steel at a few places ourselves, and yeah, it will work. So now it's hoping that there is still some dry firewood for sale, because the last time was about 6-7 weeks ago, and I hope the same guy still has a bit of dry firewood, so he can bring another truck full of that stuff, so we can put it. This will just fit one truck of firewood. So but like I said, it's not the best quality, but it will work, it functions, and you couldn't buy the materials for the price that this thing cost. So for 150 euros, buying all the aluminium, all the galvanized steel, and all the corrugated steel, you couldn't buy that stuff for 150 euros. So it's good. I even put a cement floor with some tiles in this little compartment, so I guess it's okay. But you have to go to the workshop, because that's where I should focus on. A big thanks to my friend Cesar, who came over from Spain to help me with it. turned out to be not too difficult. It was easy to cut, and it wasn't that heavy at all, and it didn't support the big beam that's inside here. As a matter of fact, the whole beam that I put together, probably, what do you want? What do you want? Come here, come here. So, oh sorry, Otis is a bit playful today. So, probably the whole beam could go out, because these beams that are here, they're like 7 by 5, and they support only the corrugated plates on it. So it's not heavy at all, but maybe, I don't know, 60, 70 years ago, 80 years ago, there were roof tiles on this, and that's why this big beam is in here, and that other beam was in there to support the weight of the roof tiles. But now these clear tiles are gone, and there's just plates on it, corrugated plates on it. It just doesn't have to bear all that weight. But I'm leaving the big beam in, because it would damage too much things to take that out, and it's high enough I can walk under it. So you might think not much happened in the workshop, but as a matter of fact, I painted the whole ceiling here, did all the beams, did the electricity. Well, it's not connected yet, it's all the wires that are going to this wall, to the back wall, to the side wall, and I put a fuse box in it so I can do them separately. We'll see that, but we don't film that. I'm not an electrician, so next step is to put some galvanized steel posts here, and put the crappy OSB that I've got on here and on this back wall, because I want to hang stuff on the wall, and I've came up with a nice system. Not French cleat, what everybody's doing, but I found some other stuff, and I'm going to do that, and then, well, we'll see how we go on. But for now, this is it. I'm happy the big beam is out. I don't, knock my head anymore, and I would say do some woodworking. It's a nice way to spend your time. Do some recycling. It's an even better way to spend your time, and I'll see you all in the next video. Later.